Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Now today's a quick one. I'm making Lemony lemon sugar cookies, semi-homemade. They're affordable, simple, delicious, and very lemony, so let's get started. I use the pre-made sugar cookie mix as the canvas and just kind of dress them up for the big show. So we start with the cookie mix, add a stick of softened butter. I take one egg with some flavorings. That's Fiori di Sicilia is what I use, which is just a fancy lemon extract, which is what you can use. I add some vanilla, zest a lemon, a little yellow food coloring. I know that's cheating. I also add the juice of that lemon and combine. Add that to the cookie mix, and then I just blend it with a fork. And then I turn to a spatula until it's well combined into a nice dough. Full recipe, by the way, is available at cbactortraveler.com. Comes together very easily. So I'll give it a cover and I'll refrigerate it for at least an hour. Scoop them out into a non-stick baking sheet. I try to space them out because they will spread. Bake at 325 for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges begin to slightly brown. And voila, delicious, flavorful, lemony sugar cookies. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. It really helps. And we'll see you next time.
I liked it for the part. I really liked it. Yeah, I got a lot of grief over Bodyguard from my hair.